Hello, Andrew here at Burncoose Nurseries, and now we're in the tunnel number 1, and this tunnel we've got a lot of camellias growing from last year's propagation. Interestingly, we were a little bit later in potting these up last year, so we potted these up possibly late May, early June, and some of them had quite a considerable root mass around them. As is horticulture, you always notice things different every year. I think that has slightly improved the size of these liners, because they do tend to be about 10 or 20 centimeters taller than they usually are. Whether that's because they went in a little bit later, whether it's because we had a relatively dry summer and they got brought on with lots of high light levels, I don't know. But we're very pleased with these camellia liners this year. As I say, they're slightly bigger than the previous year, possibly to do with the light levels in the summer. But overall, we're very, very happy with them. And we shall be potting these up in April, May of this year for next winter sales. So, camellia liners here at Burncoose Nurseries. This year we are very happy with them.